A farmer's hard life, his work, his struggles, and his dreams. Hello friends, today, I have a very special story for you. Do you know what a farmer's life looks like? Have you ever been to a village and seen how farmers work? If yes, please share your experience in the comments. If not, then listen carefully to this story. Farming is not easy. It is full of hard work, early mornings, and many challenges. But without farmers, we would not have food on our plates. So today, let me take you into the life of a farmer. If you like my story, please like, share, and subscribe for more such stories. Who am I? My name is Ramesh. I am 42 years old. I live in a small village in India. I am a farmer. My father was also a farmer. I have been working in the fields since I was a child. Farming is my life. It is not just my work, it is my passion. I wake up early, before the sun rises. My day starts with the sound of birds and the fresh, cool air. I drink a glass of water, wash my face, and go to the field. My land is not very big, but it is enough to feed my family. A farmer's daily routine. My day is full of work. I do not sit in an office. My office is my field. My hands touch the soil, my feet walk on the land, and my sweat mixes with the earth. First, I check my crops. Are they growing well? Do they need water? Are there any insects or diseases? I have to take care of them like my own children. After that, I take my plow and oxen to prepare the land. I walk behind the plow, making deep lines in the soil. This is important for planting seeds. The sun rises and the heat increases, but I keep working. Sometimes, I take a short break under a tree. I drink some water and wipe my sweat. Then, I go back to work. At noon, I come home for lunch. My wife cooks simple food, roti, sabzi, and dal. I eat quickly and rest for a while. But soon, I go back to the fields. Evening time is for watering the crops. Water is life for plants. I use a tube well to pump water into the fields. The sky turns orange, and birds fly back to their nests. My work is almost done for the day. At night, I return home. I sit with my family, talk to my children, and eat dinner. Then, I sleep early because the next day will be the same, full of hard work. What does a farmer need? A farmer needs many things to do his work properly. Here are some of the most important ones. Good soil. Without fertile land, crops will not grow well. Water. Without water, the plants will die. Seeds. Good seeds grow into healthy crops. Tools and machines. Plows, tractors, and sickles help in farming. Weather support. Too much rain or no rain at all can destroy crops. Market and fair prices. Farmers must sell their crops at a good price. Challenges a farmer faces. Farming is not easy, it is full of problems. Too much rain or no rain. If it rains too much, the crops will die. If it does not rain, the crops will dry up. Expensive seeds and fertilizers. The cost of farming is high. Seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides are expensive. Low prices for crops. When farmers sell their crops, they do not always get a fair price. Sometimes the price is so low that they cannot even cover their costs. Hard work, less profit. Farmers work from morning till night, but their earnings are small. Loans and debts. Many farmers take loans to buy seeds and fertilizers. If the crops fail, they cannot repay the loan. This makes life very difficult. Managing family and work. I have a wife and 2 children. My wife helps me a lot. She takes care of the house, cooks food, and even helps in the field sometimes. My children go to school. I want them to study well and get good jobs. I do not want them to struggle like me. I work hard so that my family can have a better future. Even when life is tough, I do not lose hope. I believe that hard work always pays off. Farmers are the backbone of our country. They give us food, but they themselves live a hard life. Next time you eat food, think about the farmer who worked day and night to grow it. Have you ever seen a farmer working in the fields? Have you ever visited a village? Share your experience in the comments. I would love to hear from you. If you liked my story, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you for listening. Stay happy and keep learning English.